Hi guys! Tingnan itong niluto ng aking kasama. What is this?
Kueh talam.
Kueh talam. Homemade kueh talam ito guys. Indonesian dessert. Tingnan nyo nga. Steam siya.
Steam.
Glutinous rice.
Rice flour.
Rice flour. Tapioca flour. And then coconut milk. Sugar. Pandan. This one is pandan juice. Pandan leaves blended niya. Then dito naman sa baba is coconut flavor. So ito ang dessert today dahil meron kaming pa-dinner. May pa-dinner kasi tonight. At masyado kaming busy kaya pasensya na kayo guys kung hindi ako makasupport sa inyo. So, ganito ang pag-slice nyo, guys. So,
must be safe. Oh. Close to cut. I also do
slanting lah.
Like this, yeah?
Like last time? So, ito siya guys. Sana masarap. See. So, ganyan siya, oh.
This is pandan.
Tingnan nyo guys, ang sarap. Parang ang sarap. I wanna try. This one, Julia. You know, no. No, wait. You do like this. A little bit, yan. So, titikman ko guys kung pasado ba. I think you can go back and do business. Ang sarap niya guys. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. This one is a bit salty, right?
Yeah, this one.
Below, yung white is a bit salty. Then, dito ay medyo matamis sa taas. So, yan guys, ang aming dessert for tonight. Sa mga hindi ko pa nababalikan dyan, mag-antay lang kayo at re-respectan ko kayo later pag hindi na ako busy guys. Sa ngayon, marami pa akong ginagawa dahil meron kaming pa-dinner. So, yun lang guys. At siya ang gumawa niya, no? My Indonesian friend make this one. So, yun lang guys. Bye everyone.
Bye everyone.
Para may pang-upload na naman ako. Yan. Bye-bye.